Is it viable to generate $84,000 within the next 4 months before the start of the new year? In this video, I not only assert that it's achievable, but also provide a detailed step-by-step plan to accomplish this. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. The good and bad news. Firstly, let's address the bad news. The methods I'm about to discuss are optimized for return on investment or ROI over a more extended time frame. This implies that although I'll be implementing these money-making methods within this year, I didn't necessarily set them up this year. Starting from scratch requires time, so immediate gains of $400,000 as I planned might not be realistic. However, the good news is that I'll precisely guide you on setting this up even from complete scratch. I'll present an example of how it's possible to make $84,000 and how you can establish a system for ongoing growth. A quick disclaimer. Watching this video doesn't guarantee earning $84,000, but I'll outline the exact steps and plan I would follow. The key to achieving this lies in shrinking the time frame and maximizing ROI by doubling efforts on the right methods and taking precise steps for desired outcomes. I'll share what to do and what not to do, so let's dive into the plan with money-making method number. Money-making method 1. Money-making method 1 involves creating faceless YouTube channels, a strategy I found immensely profitable in my nearly decade-long career on the platform, where I've earned millions. A faceless YouTube channel is one where you provide value without necessarily showing your face. You can either produce the videos yourself or hire others to do it using specific tools that I can share with you. Monetization is achieved by placing ads on your channel, and YouTube pays you a share of the revenue from each ad impression. Now, let's connect faceless YouTube channels to the $84,000 plan for the next 4 months. Imagine starting a faceless YouTube channel in the AI tools niche, focusing on various AI tools. You can use free software such as OBS for screen recording to demonstrate how to use these tools for potential money-making purposes. If someone were to upload 3 videos per week for the remainder of the year, totaling around 45 videos on their channel, even if only a few of them gain traction with a couple of hundred views each, it would be enough to get the channel monetized. Assuming they make around $5,000 from ad revenue on their channel and set up a system that continues to grow, they establish a digital real estate on YouTube. This approach aligns with the idea that uploaded content can keep generating views and income for years. I've experienced this firsthand, still earning from videos I uploaded during high school. Now, it's time to elevate the strategy to the next level, which involves delving into method number 2. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Money-making method 2. Money-making method 2 revolves around affiliate marketing, a powerful strategy for generating income online. In this method, you collaborate with someone else by promoting their products, and for every sale generated through your referral link, you receive a commission. While Amazon.com is a popular affiliate network, it is advisable not to focus efforts there due to relatively low profit margins. Instead, the recommendation is to concentrate on affiliating with recurring software, where users pay a monthly fee or high-ticket digital products, often courses. For instance, consider the scenario of someone running a faceless YouTube channel in the AI tools niche. It makes logical sense for them to become an affiliate for the tools they discuss. Suppose they identify a monthly recurring software priced at $100, offering a 50% commission. Given the substantial viewership they attract with their videos on various AI tools, converting 100 people to subscribe to this software is conceivable. Even as they potentially promote multiple software options, additional opportunities like sponsorships may arise in the future. In this example, if 100 people each pay $100 per month for the software, the gross income amounts to $10,000 per month. With a 50% commission, they earn $5,000 monthly, a substantial income surpassing what many full-time jobs offer. Although it may take time to set up and initiate sales, by the end of the year, they could be earning $5,000 per month, totaling $7,000 for the entire year. This demonstrates the potential of affiliate marketing as a lucrative revenue stream. Now, let's delve into the third method. Money-making method 3. Money-making method 3 is a significant avenue for generating online income by creating and selling your own digital products and courses. In the current digital economy, there's a remarkable opportunity to capitalize on our knowledge. By leveraging our expertise, even if it's just 1% more than what most people know about a specific subject, we can compile that knowledge into a series of videos, essentially teaching that subject. This digital product, such as an instructional course, can be sold repeatedly, presenting a lucrative opportunity. The power lies in selling courses on subjects we are knowledgeable about. Interestingly, I've observed instances where channels with fewer views and subscribers than my larger channels, which receive millions of views monthly, have been more profitable due to the sale of courses. Even with a modest viewership of 1,000 views per month, it is possible to make substantial income as illustrated by the simple math we delve into. For instance, consider an individual running a channel in the AI software niche. They decide to create a comprehensive AI software course which takes only a couple of weeks. This step-by-step course guides users on utilizing specific software to achieve a particular goal, like making money online. If they price this course at $500, and with their extensive video views attracting hundreds of thousands of viewers, it's plausible to secure 144 course sales. I've personally achieved similar results, even on channels where I initially chose not to appear on camera, earning up to $27,000 per month. By selling 144 courses at $500 each, they could accumulate $72,000. When combined with the $7,000 from promoting affiliate software and an additional $5,000 from YouTube ad revenue, the total income projection for the next couple of months amounts to $84,000. It's crucial to note that when this plan holds significant potential, it demands considerable effort to implement. Success requires dedication and hard work. While I cannot guarantee that following this plan will yield $84,000, I can assure you that this video shares the very techniques that I and many successful students have employed. The journey begins with this foundation, and if you commit to putting in the work over the initial challenging months, you can set yourself on a path to success. In summary, let's quickly review the 3 key components of this plan outlined in the video. It essentially establishes a foundation centered around your YouTube channel and the associated course. Everyone within this ecosystem becomes a target for promoting affiliate products, creating multiple income streams. I like to view this setup as a symbiotic system where each revenue stream complements the others, leading to increased earnings. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!